diversification. Same thing for interest targeting. Try to come up with categories. I see so many people going about it. They build like one ad set, put one interest inside.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool because now you can kind of see, okay, that interest might be working well or not. But again, Facebook is kind of random. You can launch the same ad set 5 times and it's going to perform differently. So what's that insight worth anyways, right?
Yeah.
So I would say, no, don't do that because that's going to be very expensive if you want to test a lot of different interests. And if
Yeah.
you don't want to spend so much money, you end up testing 3 interests. Doesn't get you anywhere, right?
Yeah.
So I would argue for the interest side of things, try to come up with categories
Yeah.
that make sense to target competitors or brands in your niche, right? If you're
Exactly.
targeting for luxury fashion, one ad set should target Burberry, Dolce Gabbana, Fendi, Prada, right?
Yeah.
Then, maybe retailers in your niche, right? So one ad set should target Net-a-Porter or Farfetch, all that kind of stuff. And
Mhm.
magazines might be another category. So that's
Yeah.
how I would go about it, because now, hey, you don't have to launch 50 ad sets. You launch 3, 4, 5, and
Mhm.
depending on how many categories you can come up with, you still target lots of interest because you put all the ones that fit to the category inside that ad set, and you get somewhat actionable insights because
True.
now at least you can say, oh, wait a second, the competitors is doing super well, so I should go ahead and find more competitors, whereas the online retailers and magazines doesn't do anything, so let's get rid of them. And maybe now we want to take all the competitors and build separate ad set per competitor to maximize reach, because now it's fine to put the money down for it because it already has proof of concept. It did well before.
Mhm.
So that's how I look at that, right? And then on a creative level, diversify between format, style, and messaging. Run carousel, image, video, and then try to diversify also your messaging.
Mhm.
I think that is really a good baseline that many people don't execute upon. Yeah?
And you're so right about the